What's up guys, today we're going to be checking out the YABER V5 projector here. $134, I'll have the link down below, check it out. This one has very easy connectivity to your smartphone for low latency, so that's what we're going to be focusing on here. And of course you can always plug it up the traditional HDMI way. We get a nice cloth, which is actually really nice as well too. Little cleaning cloth here. As you can see, we also get a nice little screwdriver as well, some swabs. We get our remote controller, pretty standard remote. And then we also get power cable, of course. And what's really nice about this is that they actually give you a nice little tripod. Just pretty sweet. Nice little mini tripod as well. So that's nice that they included that. We have our AV cables, and then we also have HDMI cable as well included. And then here is the projector, and it's actually, you know, quite compact. Definitely somewhat small, which is really nice here. Let's pop out this cap here. And of course we got our tilt and our shift on here. There are buttons, power button on here, our navigation buttons as well too. And then we also have USB, HDMI, AV, headphone jack, and then a VGA port as well too. And it looks like we also have SD card support. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Let's go ahead and set it up and see over these specs just a little bit here. So the native resolution is 720p. It also supports up to 4K at 7,200 lumens. You also have 2.4G and then 5G Wi-Fi connection on here as well too. And we already went over our AV ports. The screen mirror, we're gonna go ahead and check that out. 45 to 250 inches for the screen. So on the low, at the smallest, it's 45 inches. 250 for the max range. You also have on here, you also have the stereo with SRS built in with Bluetooth 5.0 as well too. So we'll go ahead and check all of that out. We're just going to be focusing, since I know most of us pretty much use our phones, we're going to be focusing on just connecting our smartphone to it and seeing if we can get a really good picture, and also seeing if that latency is going to be fairly low. Alright guys, you guys can see we are connected here, and you can see the image quality is pretty beautiful on here. It is really basically no latency on here. It's super easy, just basically a tap of a button. You can plug it in via USB, or you can do it wirelessly. I think the fastest and best route is going to be USB. But once you go ahead and do that, I mean, this is just crazy smooth here, I think, performance wise, especially if you want to do something like gaming. Since this is such low latency, you can also get away with gaming on here. The picture looks pretty good. It is very clear. I'm really liking it so far. And just to show you guys, as far as latency, I'll go ahead and open up a game. And you guys can see, so just like if you're chilling in your room on your phone, this does make a big difference. It is very immersive experience, guys. So whether you're watching content or you just want to play the games on your phone or your computer or whatever, laptop, you can connect it, and it's like instant. It's very smooth. I'm really surprised at the quality of this one. And also I like that you get the tripod as well too. You do have built-in speakers on here, which will give you some pretty good audio quality as well. So I really do like it. Guys, so basically this does a pretty good job. Like I said, it's very small, it's very easy to set up, surprisingly. especially with the screen mirroring. It's very fast. There's no latency. You get a clear picture. It's very bright, and you can essentially connect it to anything as far as setting up your audio, VGA, USB, even a TF card on here as well too. Your Chromecast, Fire Stick, basically whatever can plug in. And it's a pretty good experience, guys. So be sure to click the link down below if you guys are interested, and I will catch you guys in the next one.